I was just about doing my hair, but okay, room tour. Okay, come in. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, then we have the hall here. It's very amazing. It's a hallway. And then we have the room. But before we go into room, I really want to emphasize how much I love the view of the room, because I can see Tokyo Tower, I can see all the tall buildings, the skyscrapers, call that. So first we have the bed. I tried to kind of made it nice and clean. That's where we sleep. And then we have a little TV station situation where we watch Japanese news every single night, because when you're in Japan, you need to live in all the Japanese things, okay? And there's also some coffee, a little mini bar with a lot of drinks in it. I don't really use it. And then we have, of course, Treo, because Treo is like the best thing ever made in Denmark, I think. I don't know if it's international, but I love that. It's great for, you know, headaches, and I get those quite a lot because I edit like this all the time. And also, whoa, I bought some collagen drinks, okay? It has just been all over my For You page, and apparently you are going to get very luscious and glowy skin from drinking these. So I'm definitely gonna try them and see if I even like them, but also if they actually work, because let's face it, do they? Let's see. Then we have my little luggage station. Now, just to give you like the sizing situation we're at. I'm 180 centimeters tall, and these luggages kind of goes all the way up to my legs. So they are quite big, but we needed to get some stuff home from Tokyo because, you know, all those little gadgets, clothes, vintage shops, skincare, of course, you know one of those luggages are going to be full on skincare. And then we have a little desk. I don't use this desk because I'm not a desk type, but the best thing about this room is definitely the view. The view over Tokyo. And by the way, we are in Shibuya, and Shibuya is like a very central part of Tokyo. All places are central parts of Tokyo, but I just feel like Shibuya is this very great way to get around around the city. You can see the Tokyo Tower, you can see the little park over here, and you can have the big like Shibuya crossing, you know, the biggest crossing in the world. So it's quite fun to be around. And of course, all the shopping, all the food, and just love it. And then we have my working station, which is the couch. I like to sit here, work and edit on my videos because I don't like sitting at a desk. I like to have something, you know, in my neck and then edit, and so it kind of diminish the headaches, you know, by laying down instead of sitting up. So I use my time here when editing, and yeah, if you can see this little this little desk, my little, I don't know, what is it called? Rådrum. It's a very messy place where I put everything in because I don't know where I need to put it otherwise. So let's go on to the bathroom, because the bathroom is the best part, of course. That's where we do the skincare besties. So let's go. This is where it happens. No, it's not. But I love this bathtub because I can look over the city and I can watch YouTube in the night and the city just lights up. Then we have the skincare stationery, and this is where we do everything. Of course, we have the Dyson, but a little funny story about this Dyson is that when I came to Japan about 2 weeks ago, I had brought my own Dyson from home, and of course the voltage here is way different, and I didn't think about that at all, so it's like double up at home, so I couldn't use it. And then I was like, what do I do? Because I need to film TikToks, I need to film YouTube, I need to have the herring. And then I went out, bought a new Dyson. It was like an old model, so it wasn't that expensive. It was like 3 times cheaper than back home. Then I took it with me on a mountain trip with my boyfriend, and we actually tried it every single day until it was just like bleh, bleh. Then it didn't work, then it was defective. So we went back to Tokyo, got a refund, and then I was like, I need a Dyson. So we went to Ginza, got a Dyson. And the great thing about this is that I got a free hairbrush. And this hairbrush is just like, oh, I love it. It feels so nice because it's so big. I don't know why I've never had like a big one before. But anyways, this is skincare, and I'm very intrigued to see how my skincare stationery is going to look like within the week, because I know that some of these products are going to get replaced by the Japanese skincare. I haven't bought that much new skincare, but today I'm going to go crazy because I have a lot on the shopping list, okay? For now, we have bought some new toner, we have bought some new hair care, we have bought some new serums and some other toners that I'm going to show you in a bit. And then of course the hair care from home. But by the way, if you are ever in Japan, go to the deodorant section. This is like so good. It smells so good. It smells like, you know, just clean. It just smells clean. And then it's just super great. You see that? Like, it's just very good. And then it smells good, and it's a big bottle, and I love that. So definitely gonna get some more of these. That was the room tour. I'm thinking that we're going to get ready now for the day because time is ticking. Then back at home, so room service just came in. I need my night thingy. I don't know what it's called in English. And then natmasker in Danish. Or if we're still having a little bit of Europe with us, but we're gonna tell that. But you, I can't say that. We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
We'll see.
We'll see. Thank you.